Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0796 indicates an issue with the pressure control solenoid valve C within Honda Accord vehicles manufactured between 2012 and 2017. This DTC signifies that the solenoid's performance is impaired, or it is stuck in the off position. The continuous variable transmission, CVT, clutch pressure control solenoid valve plays a critical role in managing hydraulic pressure, necessary for forward clutch and reverse brake functionality. Located within the transmission assembly, this solenoid valve is managed by the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, through a duty cycle output. The PCM sends a control signal that adjusts the solenoid's position based on real-time engine operational requirements. In the event that the torque converter turbine speed does not align with the drive pulley speed when a specific vehicle speed condition is met, the PCM flags a malfunction, and this leads to the storage of DTC P0796. The CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve is primarily responsible for controlling hydraulic pressure to the forward clutch and reverse brake systems within the transmission. Its location is typically found within the transmission housing, which receives signals from the PCM to regulate torque distribution effectively. This valve operates through a spool mechanism that adjusts the hydraulic pressure proportionate to current from the PCM. Proper functioning of this valve is crucial for smooth gear shifts and effective power transfer from the engine to the wheels. If this solenoid fails or becomes stuck in the off position, it can prevent the necessary hydraulic pressure from building, resulting in performance issues that are captured by DTC P0796. Proper diagnosis can prevent more extensive transmission damage. Several possible causes could lead to DTC P0796 being triggered. Firstly, the most direct cause could be the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve having failed or being stuck in the off position, preventing it from providing the needed hydraulic pressure. Another reason could include wiring issues, where damaged or shorted wires affect communication between the solenoid and the PCM, leading to erroneous readings. Additionally, a malfunction within the PCM itself could be another potential culprit. If the PCM fails to send the correct signals, it can lead to the detection of this error code. It's crucial to systematically address these possibilities in order to identify the root cause effectively and avoid misdiagnosis. Remember that while these points cover common issues, there could be other underlying factors as well. When DTC P0796 is present, a few symptoms are typically noticeable. The most common symptom is the illumination of the engine light on the dashboard, which acts as a warning sign for the driver. Additionally, the automatic transmission AT gear position indicator may blink, indicating that the system is not operating as expected. Another symptom likely experienced includes shifting issues, where the vehicle may hesitate or fail to shift smoothly due to improper hydraulic pressure. These symptoms serve as practical indicators, alerting the driver to potential transmission issues and the need for immediate attention. Monitoring these warnings can increase the chance of catching issues before they escalate further. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0796 involves starting the engine of the vehicle. Once the engine is running, it is crucial to apply the brake pedal firmly, as this ensures that the vehicle does not move unintentionally. With the brake engaged, you will need to shift the transmission from the neutral position to the drive position. Holding this position for at least 30 seconds allows the system to engage and reflects the operational conditions under which the DTC triggers might be monitored. This initial step is foundational, as it sets the stage for subsequent checks of both the solenoid's performance and the PCM's response to the transmission's demands. A thorough understanding of the behavior at this point can direct subsequent diagnostic efforts appropriately. Following the initial troubleshooting step, the next crucial action is to turn the ignition switch to the lock 0 position, or in vehicles equipped with a start-stop button, press it to select the off mode. This action effectively resets the system and can help clarify any transient issues that might have been affecting solenoid performance. After turning off the ignition, you will need to go back and repeat the previous steps, starting the engine again, pressing the brake, shifting to drive, and waiting for 30 seconds. This repeated cycle helps in confirming the presence of the DTC by examining whether the malfunction reoccurs under identical conditions. Repeating these actions is essential for gathering reliable data on whether the solenoid is functional or if there's a persistent issue requiring further investigation. After completing necessary repairs, it's imperative to verify that the issue has indeed been resolved. This process begins with clearing the DTC using a scan tool, which removes the error code from the powertrain control module's memory. Next, a test drive is essential, where the vehicle should be operated under various conditions mimicking those under which the DTC was originally set. This real-world testing helps ensure that all systems are functioning properly post-repair. During this drive, you should stay alert for any signs of the DTC reappearing or any unusual vehicle behavior. Thorough, final verification will safeguard against the risk of unresolved issues, fortifying the reliability of the repairs made and ensuring that the vehicle will perform optimally. While not directly mentioned, implementing preventive maintenance can significantly mitigate risks associated with DTC P0796. Regularly checking the transmission fluid levels is essential, as proper lubrication helps keep the solenoid functioning and prevents overheating or failure due to insufficient hydraulic pressure. Additionally, conducting inspections on the solenoid's wiring for any signs of wear, corrosion, or damage can help identify potential problems before they escalate into serious failures. Routine transmission servicing, which includes flushing and replacing the old transmission fluid, can also enhance overall transmission performance, reducing the likelihood of DTC activation. Establishing a regular maintenance schedule can go a long way in prolonging the life of the transmission and its components, leading to a smoother driving experience. In summary, DTC P0796 points to a problem with the pressure control solenoid valve C in Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. It indicates that the solenoid may be stuck in the off position, adversely affecting hydraulic pressure for proper transmission operation. The critical symptoms of this DTC include the check engine light activation and the blinking AT gear position indicator, both of which warn the driver that maintenance is required. Troubleshooting begins with specific actions that ascertain whether the solenoid and PCM are operating correctly, followed by verification processes to ensure repairs are successful. To prevent future occurrences, regular maintenance and inspections should be conducted. Armed with this knowledge, technicians can confidently tackle DTC P0796 and ensure optimal performance of the transmission system. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.